Would you like to hear about what fucky tech problem I've been dealing with today? Okay, so for some like context, right? I record my videos on my iPhone, which is an iPhone 16. Not these videos, this is just using my webcam. But in terms of videos for my actual YouTube channel, I record using an iPhone camera. And I figure that's like decent just because like the quality of an iPhone, like why would I, when I don't have much money anyway, why would I not do that? Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, I've discovered a problem. So, something that I didn't realize when I was first recording was that the iPhone, at least the mode that I used to record, because I record using the cinematic settings so I can have the like autofocus and the manual settings and everything, all those things, they record using HDR. So, what this means is that when I try and import this footage into like Premiere Pro or After Effects or Premiere Pro and then After Effects, then all of the footage is just overexposed and it looks a little bit green and gross, and it's just not the vibe. It's not the vibe. And the reason for this is because the color space for HDR is rec to 100. Okay, and the typical video stand working color space is rec 709. So I've been fucking around trying to figure out how to make this work. I have the worst fucking tech karma in the world. There's always fucking something with me, isn't there? So anyway, I figured it out, so I figured I'd actually just like make a video about it because I assume I'm not the only idiot on the planet and that someone else will be like struggling to figure out how to fix this. So this is how to fix that. So I'm using Media Encoder, which if you use Adobe products is something you should have because it comes with either After Effects or Premiere, both of them, if you have Creative Cloud, whatever. It's the encoder that they ship out with these apps automatically. I would highly recommend you use this rather than whatever inbuilt encoder is there. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to take my footage. You can see I've already re-encoded it, but that's not the point. The point is you're going to take the video, so like for example here, drop it in, and then what you're going to do is you go in here, you go into the preset settings, everything. Looking at this, it's like overexposed, right? Like this is just what it's going to look like when you export it into like things like Premiere or whatever. So the way to fix this is you literally just go format, keep it here because this is like a standard format. Go to preset. I went down to just like match source, HLG, whatever. You're then going to come down here, go to video here, and then you are going to change it. Export color space, change it to Rec 709. You've noticed it's gone back to being overexposed like this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to this bit which is like effects, and then you're going to go to SDR or conform and just toggle it. It'll fix it. You go okay, and then it just press play and it will re-export, and there you go, you fix. That's all you have to do. It's really easy once you know what to do. Did I make this channel just for the explicit purpose of being like, yes, I will catalog all of my technical blunders and technical difficulties? Yes I did. I figure the amount of technical difficulties I like run into a week that I then have to solve and figure out, I figure I will like just impart anything that I learn along the way and dump any of that onto this channel, and that's what this channel is going to be. Anyway, subscribe to my actual channel, which is at actually Mina page. That is where I make content not on a webcam.